Hello everyone, welcome back to another trading session. In this video, I will explain how market actually moves. Okay, so listen carefully. I have already planning to take a trade on this one. So let me just mark it for you and I will explain when I'm trying to take the trades, okay? Look at these boxes I'm drawing. See that? So basically, market is trying to move between support and resistance. You see that? And every support, when it's broken, becomes a resistance, and every resistance, when it's broken, becomes a support. Look at that. But it's not that simple, right? For example, in this case, we have a well-respected support area and then it's broken. Why is causing this breakout? It probably touched somewhere strong, right? But what we care about is just before the breakout, what was happening here, right? So I mark the support area. I go to the lower time frame to see in more detail. And in 30-second time frame, hold on. In 30-second time frame, you see this little supply here. This is called supply. I draw the supply. Oh my God, what is this? And I know that this supply area where the market decided to break that support area. So if the market comes up here, it will react again. So I will count on taking a trade on this one, right? This is another example. Look, well-respected support area. This is even a QM. Look at that. Well-respected support area, and then all of a sudden it's broken. And what is causing this breakout is inside somewhere here, right? I go to lower time frame until I find the supply, right? This is a 15-minute supply, but the market hasn't reached there yet. I go to 10 second. I don't see anything. I go to 5 second. There we go. I don't see anything here. The only supply here I see is this up here, okay, which market didn't come up. And what we do here, we don't take a trade. That's simple. You need to learn when you don't see your setup, just don't take a trade. I know where the market is reacting from. You know that when we have a demand area and we have a failed demand, it becomes a supply, right? And in this case, it's exactly that. Look at that. It's reacting from this broken demand, which is a supply now. But I personally believe that if I was here in the market, I would count on entering somewhere up here. So this is not a trade for me, okay? But this one, I will take the trade if it comes up inside of that this supply here, and I will take the trade, okay? I will set an alarm here. So one of the things that beginners suffer a lot is taking random trades. Okay, I take 2 trades right here just to show you how beautiful is this. Look at that. It's going to reject, right? I go to 1 minute. I give you more examples, guys. Look at that. Some might call this fair value gap. I don't care. I just trade based on my own strategy. And this is the way I always trade, okay? When there's a no trade, I don't get mad, simply, right? And if you look at here, because markets just move in a millions of ways, we cannot catch all the movements, right? For example, if you look, this is a very huge supply area in 1 minute, which we have the support, broken support, right? But trusting this one is so risky because it can go way deeper inside of it. And you see that it touched it and then it dropped. That's why we go to lower time frame to find smaller entries. And in some cases, we just we miss the entry, okay? For example, I was waiting here for come up, it didn't come up and it dropped, okay? That's totally fine. I will look for other opportunity. I will show you more examples of this one because I see people ask me a lot. Let me just find a very beautiful one. All right, oh my God, look at this one. I mean, this is literally how market moves. Look at that. Well-respected support resistance area, boom, it's broken. Retest, it goes up. So now, the market decided to break this somewhere here. Is that right? I will mark it just to show you, This is called decision point, right? I will just mark it to show you. Oh my God, this is also a Marbuzu candle, right? We will check that out. Marbuzu candles are reversal candles. They can work pretty well. I go to low time frame. There we go. We find the supply area. And we would actually enter exactly right here. And I believe we would go on the next candle because this is a Marbuzu. It's probably from the last second, just like that. We would take this trade. It would be 100% winning trade, of course. It's beautiful. And then after that, we have created the support area just at the moment. And this support area is also broken. Look at that. Okay, I hope you're not getting confused. Right? So we got this, just to recap, resistance area, turn to support. This is a support area for me. It broken. See, it's broken. We took this trade, and now we have a demand area which is broken, and it turns to supply, right? It retouches that broken demand and it drops. So now there should be a point that the market decided to break this demand, right? So I marked this as well. Look at that. Demand area broken. So inside of this, you see this is a drop-based drop. This is a decision point. The market decided to break that support area, even though it was a pretty strong area. See that? So I will take advantage of that, the point, decision point, right? I go to lower time frame. I see nothing here yet. I go to 15. Yes, there we go. I mark it. Fresh supply. Supply and demand are basically some engulfing patterns. Look at that. And the lower time frame, we call it supply. And I wait here. The moment price comes up here, I enter the trade and I win the trade. I go to 1 minute. Look at that. The moment the candle reach here, I enter, the candle closes down here. Just like the previous trade that I just took at the start of the video, okay? And make sure, some of you say that mine closes on the next candle, mine doesn't have 1 minute. First of all, the regular pairs doesn't have 1 minute, right? They just start from 2 minutes. Unfortunately, the only market does have 1 minute is OTC for some reason. And I only use OTC because of that. And make sure this is on 0. If this is not on 0, it's not going to close on the candle closing. It's going to close on the next candle. If this area is not on 0, you're going to be in trouble. 1 minute, 0, and also make this on. And then you're good to go, okay? Beautiful. So this is the decision point. Resistance became support. We use the decision point. Again, the support became resistance. We use the decision point, right? This is exactly how market moves. For example, look at that. Respect support area. Of course, it's going to be broken at some point, right? And the decision is going to be made here. After this one broken, it will come up and retouch it. I'm pretty sure, right? It's happening all the fucking time, and you can take advantage of it all the freaking time. Okay? Just try to take the clear ones. For example, here we have a well respected support area broken. The decision point is going to be somewhere here, but I will not take the trade if it just takes too much time to price comes up here, right? This is my support. Let's go to lower time frame to find something. See, if the price just takes too much to come up, I will not take it. Okay? In this case, oh my God. In this case, let me just see where it is. Yeah. You see the supply area? Boom. Would I take this even if it was fast? No, because look, it's not fresh. See, it's not fresh. What do I mean by fresh? We mark the supply, it comes up and retouches and then drops, so it's not fresh. It has been consumed once, so it's not going to be accurate enough to take the trade. See? This is not a valid trade, so you cannot go to the chart and take every single trade you see and lose a couple of them, and this way it's not going to work. Trading is totally subjective, and you need to somehow use your common sense as well. We just want to take beautiful trades. Okay, let's just see. All right, look at this beautiful doji break, man. If I'm breaking this doji again, I will take one more on this. Let me see. Oh my God, take this buy right here. Look at that. Holy shit. The reason why I took this trade, because I've seen hundreds of millions of times. When we have a ranging market with big rejections, most likely the running candle also will have a rejection. It's okay to lose, but if you keep doing that, in long run, you're going to be in profit. Okay, let's see if it's going to have the rejection. Boom, it was a winning trade. Let me show you. Look at that, beautiful. Okay, I took the trade exactly on the rejection point, and we won the trade because the candle started from gap up, just like the previous one. Okay, this works best in ranging markets. And now we broke the doji, boom. We broke the doji, boom. I was planning to take this buy, but since I was already in a trade, I didn't take it. Okay, that's fine to miss some trades. Okay, well respected support area, decision point somewhere here. Okay, let me just mark it. Yeah, mark it. Go to lower time. I go to lower time frame. All right. This is a supply area, but I don't think price will come up because we already have a failed demand right here, and price is reacting from it. Right? Demand failed. It becomes a supply. Right? Its price is reacting from it. I think it's going to take time to come up here to my supply. Right? So we're not perfect. We can't take all the movement in the market. So we're just gonna prefer, oh look at that, patience, and we're gonna have good results. So here, a newbie or a beginner would take this trade just because he's desperate for some trades, and when it's losing trades, he's gonna be like, oh, it's not working, it's not this, it's not that, you know. But I don't take this because it's not perfect. I don't like it. Okay, this makes the big difference between different traders. Even with the indicators, you can't take all the trades. Okay, you need to use a little bit of common sense. This is the trade we took, right? At the beginning of the video, if you go back, we took this trade and we won that. It rejected second time, third time, fourth time. Okay, but we only take it once because this is how I like it. This is how I'm confident about it. Only once. Otherwise, it's not fresh anymore. Right, let's just go back to 30 seconds. See that? Already touched once. Second time, I wouldn't take it because it's not fresh. Right? Let me see. All right, let me just see if I can find a good trade. I take this sell right here. Look at this respected, beautiful doji, right? We have everything here. Ranging market, big rejections. People call this bad market, it's fine. We draw the doji range. Broken from the downside, it worked. Broken for the second time, it worked. So most likely, broken for the third time, it's gonna work. Is that only reason? No, we got everything perfect for this trade. We have market sequence, see? Market sequence, and then we have another doji here which we're closing inside of a doji. So when we break a doji just like that, we have a reaction. When we come inside of a doji from the upside, this is a red one, still we can have a retracement, right? Yeah, let me see where it's rejecting from. This is the example that I was talking about, and I didn't take the trade because I didn't like it, but it seems it's worked out. It's fine. I'm not going to get mad because of that. Yeah, this is the supply. We have the more clear one in 10 seconds. Beautiful, look at that. This just needs some practice, guys. It's not that hard. You know, if you can avoid just taking random trades, take 3. Look at that. I only take 4 trades today, and I'm happy with it, right? Some of you take fucking 50 trades per day and you wonder why I'm not getting consistent results. But bro, if I take 50 trades, I'm gonna be in loss. Look at that, beautifully winning trade, but I didn't take it. All right, I'm stopping right here. I hope you enjoyed. Please only use the link in the description for joining the Telegram channel because some losers using similar IDs to scam people. So the link is the safest way to join the Telegram channel.